I was running comparable sales data, and I thought it would be interesting to share with you and see the differences in upgradings done to a house. And let's try to guess what the differences in sales price was for these are two identical types of homes, same layout, same number of bedrooms, etc. Only differences are the upgrades. As you can see, this one, nice wide LVP planks, canned lights, LEDs. Everything seems to be done nicely. Let's look at the other one. And this one, again, the same model, same layout, same number of bedrooms. Only difference is the types of upgrades. You still see popcorn or acoustic ceiling, which should be scraped off. They're also updated with pergo flooring from, the 90s. And you can just tell it's looks a bit dated. But again, same property, same community, same layout. And you can, by what you see here, the rest of the house was upgraded in a similar fashion. So what's your guess about the price differences of what the other one sold versus this one? Just only based on the differences in updates. $100,000. So knowing the price difference, would you have updated this one so that you wouldn't have lost that money? Comment.